So now you may be asking how we go ahead and we publish our Bitmoji classroom. There are going to be a couple of ways to do this that you can utilize for your virtual classroom. The first way is you can go up here and you can go to share. And down here where it says get link, you're going to want to make sure you click on it and that anyone with a link can get it and that it is in viewer mode only. If you put commenter or editor, the students are either going to be able to comment on the classroom or move things around, which you're not going to want. So once you have that link, you can go ahead and you can go to your Google Classroom that you have set up, as I have here, and you can go ahead and share the link right in your stream. You can also post the link in classwork. So in your stream, if you want it at the top, you would just click on these three buttons and you would always click on move to top if it's not in the beginning, because you're going to want that first and foremost for your students to interact with. The other way you can go ahead and do this is that if you're using Google Sites and you want to embed this into an actual site for your students, it's super easy. You're going to go to File and you're going to go to Publish to the Web. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and get an embed code, and you can choose small, medium, large, or custom, depending on your size. I usually stick with medium and then play with it as it's in my Google Sites. And then you just hit Publish. Are you sure you want to publish a selection? Hit OK. And then you have your embed code, which is great because in Google Sites, you just go ahead and you embed it and it pops right up and students can interact with the content without being able to move things around. There are a couple of other ways if you're not using Google Slides, but I just ask you to come to me if you're not using Google Classroom, because that is what's the norm in the school. So that's what we're focusing on here. But if you do need help, again, feel free to reach out and we'll work with you if you're not using Google Slides. Thank you.